Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Absolutely Creative. This is Swathi. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about all my new videos. Also follow me on my social media to stay updated and be in touch with me. As 11th episode of our new series Summer Camp for Kids 2018, today I am going to show you all how to draw a castle using the word castle. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is how we can draw a castle using the word castle. Isn't that interesting? You can also color it and add some detailings like I did here with the bricks on the walls of castle. So I hope you all enjoyed this episode, so please hit that like button and share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Absolutely Creative for more amazing videos.